Hello, my lovely friends. Good to see you all again. I'm back after a long break. There was renovation work going on at home, and after that, my children were visiting from USA. So we had a wonderful family time together. And now I'm sharing some clips of my new kitchen. You go through them. Meanwhile, let me plan what to cook the first dish of the year and in my new kitchen. So stay tuned.